Welcome to Lab. We will be learning about the synthesis of aspirin today. Let's go over some safety. As always, goggles and apron must be on at all times. People with long hair need to put their hair up, and any dangling clothing or accessories such as jewelry need to be taken care of. You will be preparing aspirin, which is called acetylsalicylic acid. Follow the directions very carefully. You will be making a solid, but it will be mixed in with liquid. In order to get rid of the liquid, you will be using suction filtration.
This is a filter flask. Liquids are drawn into this flask using a vacuum source. In room 36, the filter flasks are located on the counter in the back of the room. In other classrooms, the filter flasks are located in the cabinets in the back of the room. The filter flask is connected to the water spout using the hose in the fume hoods. The water spout is the vacuum source for the filter flasks in this experiment. The funnel being attached is called a Buechner funnel. It has multiple small holes to allow the liquid to go through. A piece of filter paper is added to the Buechner funnel in order to keep the solid from going through as well. Turn on the water and there should be a vacuum. You can safely place your hand on the funnel to check the strength of the vacuum. Swirl the flask until the solid contents are free from the sides and bottom of the flask and quickly dump the mixture into the funnel. Do not pour the mixture out slowly because the solid will not transfer well. As you can see, the liquid will be sucked through the filter. Adding ice-cold water to the original flask will help remove more solids, and pouring into the Buechner funnel will help wash the solid of impurities. After 2 minutes, add another wash. After 4 minutes, the solid should be dry. Turn off the water, take the funnel off, and transfer the solid to a watch glass.
In order to check the purity of your aspirin, you will perform an iron 3 chloride test. You will compare your results to commercial aspirin and pure salicylic acid.
Iron 3 chloride reacts with the phenol group on the salicylic acid, one of the reactants you use to make the aspirin, turning the solution violet. If it turns violet, that means your aspirin had salicylic acid and was not pure.
In part 3, you will be testing to see if commercial aspirin has any starch. Starch is generally used as a binder in tablets.
You'll be using an iodine solution to determine if starch is present. A blue-black color means that starch is present. A lack of a blue-black color means that starch is not present.
If you need help with any of the write-up, please speak with your instructor.